Hey guys, so what I've decided to do, I wanted to make a quick video for you all because we're starting to get into a real calculator heavy portion of our class, and I know that um, sometimes you don't have enough time to finish your assignments in class, and I try to give you as much time as I can so that you can have the calculators available to you, because I realize that these calculators are rather expensive, and many of you probably just don't have one sitting around at home. Um, So there is a useful online tool for those of you that are interested in doing your homework at home. If you don't get it done in class, that will make life a lot simpler for you. I do hope some of you are actually attempting some of these problems while you're at home, because the only way you're going to get good at math is to actually do math. So um, the website that I would encourage you to use is called Desmos.com. You can see that there in the address bar on the screen right now, and it's really just a kind of useful, intuitive online graphing calculator. So today, what we looked at was graphing systems of equations and finding the intersection point or lack thereof, depending upon what kind of system we were dealing with. And so I wanted to go through two quick examples with you just to show you how to use this. So over on the left hand side of your screen, this is where you will enter your information. The first system that I'm going to do was from one of our examples from class today, and it was 2y equals 8x plus 18. And you can see as I type, the graph automatically starts to pop up as I go through the equation. So that's the first equation in that system. The second equation was 24 plus 4y equals x. And now you can see the blue graph here at the bottom of the screen, and it highlights our intersection point. That's where our solution exists. So the solution to this system is -4 and -7. So that wasn't too difficult. I'm going to do a second example real quick just to familiarize us a little bit more with the potential solutions that we might have with a system of equations. Again, this one came from our notes from today. It was 3x plus 6y equals -12 was the first equation. The second equation was y equals -1/2 x minus 5. You can see from the graph that we have now on our screen that this is a case where there is no solution. The two lines are parallel, so that means they will never intersect, so there is no solution to this system. If we graphed them and they were the exact same line, then that's when you would have infinitely many solutions. I really do encourage you guys, especially if you are really wanting to be successful in this class, to use Desmos when you're at home. Practice these problems. I mean, I'm not telling you guys that you have to spend an hour a night working on this stuff, but practice 2 or 3 problems at least, just to familiarize yourself with how we're solving things in class and to make you become more successful in our class. Please, please, please ask me questions on Remind. You're not going to bother me. Attempt the problem of the week from time to time. That's a good way to get bonus points in the class. I put these problems up. They are designed to challenge you and make you think. So do I expect everybody to get it 100% right every time? Absolutely not. But I would encourage you to please at least try. You can get partial credit. Even if your answer is wrong, I will give you credit for making an attempt. I hope this is useful for those of you that want to try to work on this stuff while you're at home. There even is an app. I know they have it on the iPhone. I believe it's available on Android as well. It's just Desmos, Desmos. So download that. You'll have a graphing calculator on your phone. You guys have a wonderful evening, and I will see you in the morning.